As the deadline is Friday, so the opportunity is to be obtained within the stipulated duration without being delayed. The blank is to be filled with options mean delaying or being idle. Both dawdle as choice A and dally as choice D mean moving slowly or idly or wasting time. Thus, choice A and D meet the prediction to fit the blank. On the other hand, prophecy as choice B and prognosticate as choice C both are synonymous and mean forecasting, which has been weakened in comparison with choice A and choice D to fit the blank, and they are unable to make sense regarding the prediction with respect to the statement given. Besides, both scuttle as choice C and scurry as choice F mean to be quick to do something, and if anyone doesn't scuttle or if anyone doesn't scuttle or accelerate in the proper sense to obtain the opportunity by being idle, then the deadline is not to be sustained. So the correct answers are choice A and choice D.